We're very excited to be talking with Chef Jon from KFSA today. We just have a couple questions about the education system in Australia and how the culinary field is operating right now. So, Chef, thank you so much for being here today. Let's dive right in. Can you tell me how Australia is treating chefs nowadays?
Well, what we're seeing now is a lot of chefs, a lot of students are getting interested in cooking and deciding to go to cooking school. I think that's probably from exposure from shows on television, the internet, everything they see on there. And the good thing is that they get really a lot of interest at first, and they might find out that what they see on TV or internet isn't exactly how it is in real life.
That's interesting. Would you say there is a big demand for pastry chefs in Australia nowadays, or what would you say that's like?
Yeah, definitely. The industry is always expanding, always growing, and certainly in the hotel sector, and then also in small cafes. Adelaide, in particular, is a really big cafe culture. So the need for pastry chefs there is very big.
Okay. So what would you say are the opportunities like for students who are studying in Sri Lanka if they decide to pursue a career in the pastry industry in Australia?
Well, students, especially students here at Windstone, have a great opportunity because getting visas to go to Australia is getting more and more difficult, and to have a qualification under your belt makes it much easier to get to win a visa.
Yes. Okay. All right. Then why would you say, along with that, why would you say students should choose to go to Australia to study?
Oh well, I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, in the States,
Okay,
and I
okay.
can say firsthand that Australia is a great country to live in, and just the culture, the people, and then again, Adelaide, South Australia, is where a lot of the produce is generated for the entire country. There's a huge food and wine culture there. So if you're looking to do hospitality, Australia and specifically Adelaide and South Australia is where to go.
Okay, so මෙතන chef explain කරන්නේ එයා ඉපදුනේ එයා හැදුනේ වැදුනේ Boston Massachusetts වල. හැබැයි එයා කියනවා ඒකත් එක්ක compare කරලා බලද්දී ඔස්ට්‍රේලියා වල study කරන එක ලොකු benefit එකක් කියලා විශේෂයෙන් ලංකාවේ students ලට. මොකද ඒකෙන් ලොකු improvement එකක් සහ ළමයිට ලොකු ආభాෂයක් ලැබෙනවා කියලා chef අපි explain කළා. විශේෂයෙන් pastry industry එකේ සහ pastry field එකේ education එකට interest එකක් දක්වන කෙනෙක්ට. හරි අපි දන්නවා ෂෙෆ් KFSA එකේ වැඩ කරපු ෂෙෆ් කෙනෙක් කියලා. ඉතින් අපි ෂෙෆ් කෙනෙක් අහලා බලමු එයාට මොකද්ද ස්පෙෂালিටි එකක් විදිහට දකින්නේ කියලා KF එකේ when you compare it with other places. So can you tell me what makes TAFE special or what makes it different?
Well, the difference with TAFE is that it's a government-run trade school, and what we have in our Adelaide campus is really amazing. We have all the kitchens are purpose-based for all the different qualifications. So we have access to all the different equipment that we need, every kind of source that we need to get from. So it's really at the fingertips to teach the way you should.
Okay, so මෙතන අපිට chef explain කරන්නේ එයා කියනවා TAFE එකේ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා facilities සහ equipment ගොඩක් improve වෙච්ච equipment සහ facilities තමයි TAFE එකේ තියෙන්නේ කියලා. එතකොට ඒ නිසා අපේ නම් මෙහින් යන ගොඩක් ශ්‍රී ලංකන් students ලට ලොකු opportunities සහ ඒ වගේම එයාලට skills improve කරන්න අවශ්‍ය වෙන education system එක සහ equipment වගේම හැම දෙයක්ම එතන TAFE එකේ include වෙන නිසා තමයි chef කියන්නේ ඒක වෙන campus එක stand out වෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay, let's focus a bit on the Sri Lankan students, chef specifically, because you've been here for quite a while. What do you think stands out about Sri Lankan students, or what do you think are the skills that they have that you think stand out?
Well, certainly the first thing I see is the discipline that they've been taught from the beginning, and that's one of the first things that we look for in any kitchen, even in Australia and everything, is to be on time, to be in uniform, to be ready just to take in all the information. And once that's ingrained and it's automatic, then the real teaching can really happen. So I've been really impressed with their attention to detail, their dedication, and yeah, their ability to stay with those standards.
Okay, so that's a really interesting couple of points for us there. Going along with that, Chef, what do you think are the skills that employers nowadays value in the industry?
Well, that's just it. Is what I touched on is that reliability.
Okay.
A lot of places that you go to, when you go to that particular place, they'll show you things slightly different. But I'd say what the employer is looking for is a base knowledge of, in our case, patisserie, and then those things that are just considered automatic, being on time, uh, being available and open to new things and to learn as you go.
Okay, all right. Then what kind of skills do you think that Winstone students should focus on improving in order for them to, be a very recognized person in the industry? What do you think are the kind of skills that students in general should improve on rather than the skills they possess?
Yeah, I would say that that students should probably not get too distracted by all the flair and the bells and whistles, you might say, and focus on the basics and the fundamentals, because if you get those solid, then you can always build on those. And you'll see that in any product. For example, croissants. It's a very simple recipe, very simple ingredients, but the technique is what that makes it very difficult, and that's what people try to strive to get better at. So it's a matter of repetition and working on things.
Just simply focusing really hard on what they're doing is what you're saying, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So මෙතන chef අපිට explain කරනවා ලංකාවේ students ලගේ improve වෙන්න ඕනේ qualities මොනවාද කියලා විශේෂයෙන් මේ වගේ industry එකක වැඩ කරන කෙනෙක් නම් එයාලට improve වෙන්න තියෙන ලොකුම skill එක chef කියනවා ගොඩක් practice වෙන්න ඕනේ සහ අපි දිගටම consistency එක තියාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි හිතන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි දේවල් කරද්දී අපි හිතන්නේ අපි ඒක එකපාරක් කරාම එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි දකින positive දේවල් වලින් ඒක complete වෙනවා කියලා. ඒ වුණාට ඇත්තටම chef මෙතන explain කරනවා අපි ඒක continuously කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ වගේම තමයි අපි consistently focus එකක් දීලා යම්කිසි දෙයකට වැඩ කරගෙන දිගටම යනවා නම් තමයි අපිට මේ field එකේ විශේෂයෙන්ම achieve වෙලා ඉස්සරහට යන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. What are the kind of facilities, chef, that you think TAFE possesses in comparison with the facilities available here at Winstone, based on what you've seen so far and things like that?
Well, I can certainly say here at Winstone that we actually, I'm doing an assessment on the students in these weeks, but I'm also assessing Winstone at the same time. And I can say that Winstone has passed that assessment. All the equipment is everything that they need, the students need to finish their qualification. But then there's, this is the good thing about students going on to the next step after they finish here. They have the opportunity to come to Australia and continue on a Certificate 4. And with Cert 4 in Adelaide, we have temperature controlled rooms, we have chocolate tempering machines, we have lots and lots of equipment that are specific to that qualification. So that's kind of the biggest difference between what's here and what's in Adelaide.
Yeah, that's a quite interesting perspective. Chef, can you give us a bit more of an explanation on the temperature rooms and the chocolate making?
Yeah, well, Certificate 4 in particular is at a higher level. We do a lot of sugar work. Certainly in a climate like this, the humidity is one of the things that makes it the most difficult. So in Adelaide, we work with sugar in our air-conditioned kitchens. And then we also have certain cool rooms that are set at lower temperatures and humidity levels that can store chocolate and sugar at proper levels.
Okay, interesting. So මෙතන අපිට chef explain කරනවා ලංකාවේ Winstone එකයි TAFE එකයි අතර comparison එක සහ facilities ගැන comparison එකක් තමයි chef අපිට explain කරන්නේ. chef explain කරනවා යා මෙහෙට දැන් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ students ලා assess කරන්න විතරක් නෙමෙයි ලංකාවේ Winstone ආයතනය assess කරන්නත් එක කියලා. එතකොට chef කියනවා ගොඩක් facilities එයාලා expect කරුවට වඩා ලංකාවේ available තියෙනවා කියලා. හැබැයි යා ඒ වගේම කියනවා ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාව වලට ගිහිල්ලා next level එක ළමෙක් complete කරනවා කියන්නේ ඒ කෙනාට එයාට මීට වඩා ලොකු ආభాෂයක් ඔස්ට්‍රේලියා සර්ටිෆිකේට් ක්වොලිෆිකේෂන් එකෙන් හම්බෙනවා කියන එක. So explain කරපු දේවල් කීපයක් මම කියන්නම්. ෂෙෆ් කියනවා අපිට TAFE වල තියෙනවලු temperature rooms. ඒ කියන්නේ cooling rooms වගේම temperature එක maintain කරන්න rooms එහෙ තියෙනවලු විශේෂයෙන් වෙන් කරලා. ඒ වගේම තමයි chocolate store කරන්න. එතකොට chocolate ගොඩක් patisserie එකේ යන නිසා ඒවටත් වෙනම rooms allocate කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා තමයි chef අපිට explain කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay guys, so we're ending our little discussion with Chef Jon here with us today. I just have one final question for you, Chef. What would you say is the advice you could give for students, specifically for parents who are interested in, giving their children a career in this field? What's the basic advice you would give?
Well, if your son or daughter are really interested in pastry and this field, supporting from home is really a very important thing, and to kind of give them that reassurance that it's not like a quick thing. It's not going to be something you're going to learn in just a few months or so. So it's what we're looking for as educators and also as business owners is workers that have some longevity in them. They stick with it and they kind of learn that skill, and it's something they stick with for a while.
Yes, so especially would you say in this generation nowadays we see a lot of students giving up quite easily? Is that something you think is very much?
Yeah, it's something that we're seeing a lot of. I think it's just this kind of this generation that's looking for like a quick results sometimes, and certainly in our field it's something that you don't do really quickly. You do it well and you take a little time to get really good at it.
Okay, yeah, that's a good answer. So that will conclude our session for today. මේ question එකේ chef අපිට explain කරන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ ලංකාවේ ඉන්න අපේ students ලට සහ parents ලට දෙන්න පුළුවන් advice එක මොකක්ද කියලා මේ career එකේ ඉස්සරහට යන්න බලාපොරොත්තුවක් තියෙන කෙනෙක් නම්. ඒතකොට chef අපිට කියනවා මේ වගේ field එකක ඉස්සරහට යන්න නම් අනිවාර්යෙන්ම අවශ්‍ය වෙන දේ තමයි consistency එක. අර මම කලින් explain කරා වගේ. ඒ කියන්නේ තමන් කරන focus කරලා කරන දේට අපි දිගටම focus එක තියාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. භාගයක් දුර ගිහිලා give up කරන්නේ නැතුව. chef කියනවා අපිට මේ දැන් එන ජෙනරේෂන්ස් වල ගොඩක්ම තියෙන්නේ ඒ වගේ පොඩි කාලයක් සහ පොඩි රිසල්ට් එකක් ඉක්මනට බලාපොරොත්තුවක් තියාගෙන ඒ රිසල්ට් එක හම්බෙන්නේ නැත්නම් එයාලා ඒ වෙලාවෙම give up කරනවා. ඒකෝ ෂෙෆ් අපිට කියනවා විශේෂයෙන් parents ලට දෙමව්පියන්ට එයාලගේ ළමයිව push කරන්න ඕනේ සහ එයාලට මේ consistency එක තියාගෙන යන්න අපි ශක්තියක් වෙන්න ඕනේ දෙමව්පියන් විදිහට කියන එක තමයි ෂෙෆ් මෙතනදී අපිට explain කරන්නේ. So that would conclude our session for today and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.